My PhD work was enhancing and restoration of digital images. Due to some reasons, images may have a low resolution or some kind of distortion. For example, images may be blurred, washed out, or contain some missing parts. The developed software can be used to store and display digital images with high quality. It has also a wide range of applications in different medical and astronomical imaging tasks, such as reconstructing the computed tomography or CT images, or denoising the images that are taken from the space. The degradation process is often modeled by a known or unknown operation applied to the image. The objective is then to somehow invert this process and obtain images which are more pleasing to humans. Statistical data analysis and machine learning are used to solve these tasks nowadays. During my PhD research, I developed new methods to enhance the quality of images, mainly based on statistical data analysis and artificial intelligence. The resulting works of my PhD have been shown to be useful in different image restoration tasks, such as increasing the resolution, removing random distortion, and filling the missing parts of images.